have a lot of countries here. From 12, 14 or 16 countries I haven't counted, from Italy in the south and up to Estonia, Finland, Norway and Sweden. We are very satisfied to be here. Old families with children, 10 years, and up to the old competitors. We have from Norway, one person, 87 years. The atmosphere for this EFOL has been very nice. From sun, 28 degrees, to stormy and raining. So we have everything here. Nice stay, nice food here at the event, nice terrain, nice sprint terrain, nice middle terrain. Perfect today.
And on and on and on. 'Cause we're gonna be legends, gonna get their attention. What we're doing here ain't just scary, it's about to be legendary. Yeah, we're gonna be legends, gonna teach them all a lesson. Got this feeling in our souls we carry, it's about to be legendary.
The goals for me, and I think also for the Norwegian team, is to come to EFOL to have fun with the competition, to meet colleagues, friends from all over Europe who are foresters and orienteers, and to learn a lot about the forestry in EU and in Estonia this year. I started with the EFOL in 1996 in Trollebo in Sweden. It was the first time, and I have been taking part of the EFOL events 39 years and up to 2025.
'Cause we're gonna be legends, gonna get their attention. What we're doing here ain't just scary, it's about to be legendary. Yeah, we're gonna be legends, gonna teach them all a lesson. Got this feeling in our souls we carry, it's about to be legendary. Eventually they're gonna know who's right. To make a stand you got to win the fight. Can't stand the heat and just the apple light.
Although I'm native Estonian, this competition for me is the second one. And the first one was back in 1999. So it has been 26 years and the race was amazing. It was really tough in terms of physicality. Technically it wasn't as difficult, but physically it was tough as it could be. As we all know, forestry sector is really traditional and so is anything related to any traditions related to the forestry sector. So we are very proud in keeping those traditions alive by sponsoring this event.
What we're doing here ain't just scary, it's about to be legendary.